How you doing, folks? Today I have, courtesy of the wonderful folks at bestmusic.ie, a little surprise unboxing to do. I say surprise because this is going to be a genuine surprise for me. I messaged the guys at Best Music, asked them would they be interested in doing something with a YouTuber, blah blah blah. They said yes. I'm local to them because they're an Irish company, which is great. Just want to give a big shout out to Best Music because this would be my first proper collaboration with an actual music store. So I'm very excited about this. More on that I'll tell you at the end of the video after I unbox, but we're going to be doing a little something together. So to that they said, well, let's send you some Keeley. I said, fantastic, let's have some Keeley. So, and that was that. So he sent me a tracking number then, and then this morning, lo and behold, the good old people at Fastway delivered this box. And as of now, honestly, I don't know other than Keeley what's in the box. So let's get into it. Okay, so the moment of truth. What have we got? We have got the Abbey chamber verb. Ooh, it's a new one on me, folks, I have to say. This is so exciting. Oh, we've got the Keeley Caverns. Oh my god, cannot wait to play with this. I've watched, Andy on Pro Guitar Shop do a demo on this. Rabia Masad did a demo on this. These sound great. Cannot wait. And we've got the super Phat mod. Oh, so we've got a nice tasty bit of drive, and we've got 2 reverb pedals. Unbox these goodness. Ooh, okay. Oh, nice. Pedal comes in a nice little satiny carry case thing. Oh, okay. Absolutely gorgeous. Really well finished. Lovely. Nice positive switching. So we've got some foam top and bottom. You've got your stickers and you've got your manual in the box. Like that carry case. That's nice. Again, foam. No carry case with this one. It's just in a wrapper, plastic wrapper. The Keeley Caverns. Can we see that? Cannot wait to get trying that. Oh, we've got our manual card and some more stickers, and that's that. We have this Abbey chamber verb, and with the foam. Nice, everything staying nice and safe. This one, the smaller pedals obviously come in these lovely little. So I don't think it's going out on a limb to say that this might be something to do with Abbey Road. I might be wrong, I'll check up on that, but I mean the livery on the pedal would sort of lead me to suggest that it's has to be something to do with Abbey Road. Genuinely, this is, I haven't researched this pedal because this is the first time I knew what was coming to me, so I will do a bit of research on that, of course, before I get to demo it. And cool. So that is the 3 Robert Keeley pedals that the wondrous folks at bestmusic.ie sent to good old Ginger Lefty. So What's going to happen now is I'm going to use these pedals for a couple of days, really get in on them, and I might even video some of my first impressions on them. But the real deep dive review is going to be done on Best Music's channel, and I will be filming next week up with the super guys at Best Music, and that'll be where the big, in-depth review of these pedals happens. So can't wait for that. Very exciting for me to do this. Delighted to get the opportunity to do it again. Thank you very much to bestmusic.ie. Go check out their website. Lots of great stuff on their website, and they're expanding all the time.